last routine job. Automation and the future of work. Series, The Invisible Future. For more than 200 years, people have feared that machines would take their jobs. The steam engine, the assembly line, the personal computer, the internet. Each invention sparked the same question: what will happen to human work? Yet history tells a more complicated story. Machines rarely replace work itself. More often, they replace the routine within it. And today, artificial intelligence may be accelerating that transformation faster than ever before. Every profession is made up of hundreds of small tasks. Some demand creativity. Some require empathy. Some depend on experience and judgment. Others are repetitive, predictable, and time-consuming. Scheduling meetings, sorting information, summarizing documents, checking calculations, organizing data. These routine tasks often remain invisible until a machine learns to do them in seconds. The future of work may not arrive all at once. It may arrive one task at a time. Across hospitals, law firms, engineering companies, classrooms, and film studios, intelligent systems are becoming everyday tools. Doctors spend less time searching through records. Lawyers review large collections of documents more efficiently. Engineers test more design variations. Teachers create personalized learning materials. Filmmakers accelerate research and pre-production. In many workplaces, AI is not replacing professionals. It is changing how they spend their time. The more routine work machines perform, the more human attention can shift toward decisions, relationships, and creative problem-solving. If routine work becomes increasingly automated, what becomes more valuable? Not simply technical knowledge. Knowledge is becoming easier to access. Instead, skills that are difficult to automate become increasingly important. Critical thinking, adaptability, communication, ethical judgment, leadership, creativity. The future job market may reward those who can combine human insight with intelligent tools. Perhaps history will not remember this era as the moment machines replaced people. It may remember it as the moment people redefined work itself. Every technological revolution has changed what humans do. Artificial intelligence may change something even deeper: how humans choose to spend their time. Because the future of work is not simply about automation. It is about making room for the kinds of work that only people can truly make meaningful. And that may become the most valuable job of all. If machines can help us work, what happens when they begin to remember not just facts, but conversations, experiences, and knowledge? Next episode, The Memory Machine. Like and subscribe, please.